Okay, so here's the replacement packs. They come 10 in a pack, but there's 26 blades in the machine. I don't understand that. But whatever. So here is two that I had to replace, and maybe you can see that they got chewed up pretty bad because there was a nail in the wood that I didn't know about, and it really messed up two of the blades, but only two. So that's what a new one looks like, and that's what the chewed up one looks like. So you could just replace them. Simple enough. Show you how that's done. First, on the outfeed side of the planer, you want to remove the dust collection port. That's just 2 screws that you undo. That will give you access to the spiral blade. Now, when you're doing this, do take caution. Those blades are very sharp and you will be cut if you're not careful. These blades are sharpened on more than one side, so if you're just rotating it to the new side, just loosen the screw. If you are replacing them, obviously you're going to have to take it all the way out. It's not a bad idea either to mark one so you know where you started. When you're tightening the blade screw, make sure the blades don't move on you. If they're not perfectly seated in a line, you can put gouges in your wood. Once you're done with all 26 of these, put the dust collection port back on, get a scrap piece of wood and test it out. Look for any stray marks, which probably means you just have one of the blades a little bit out of line. And your planer is now ready for work again. Easy peasy, I feel like sneezy.